you can basically find a domain name straight off the Wix website. So there's an option here to connect a domain. So you can just go here, get a domain, and then you'll have the option to either buy a new domain name or connect a domain name you already own. So you can search straight off Wix. For example, speakers.com is not available, and then they'll give you some other options. Now, I tend to get my domains off another website called Namecheap. It's slightly cheaper than getting it from Wix, and I'll just show you a little bit of a price comparison. Here are some records of payments that I've made in the past to Wix. So here's the domain name. This is just buying a domain, and it's $14.95 US a year. I want to show you this example here, which is getting the domain, and it's got some privacy in there. So what's the use of privacy? You just get a lot less spam mail basically when you buy the privacy. Now, the reason I go to Namecheap is because I find this to be cheaper than Wix. It's costing me anywhere between $13 to $9. I think the first year is a little bit cheaper. It's $9 for the first year, and then subsequent years it becomes $13, $16. It's definitely a little bit of extra work here to use Namecheap as opposed to using Wix, but I know how to make that work, and I'm happy to use this. So either option is perfectly fine. I will run through with you how I connect my domain from Namecheap to Wix. There are definitely some advantages in getting your website from Wix directly, and it's that you have less hassles in connecting the domain, and it's just a much more smooth experience. If you're comfortable to dig around and do some connections and things like that, you could try Namecheap or look around and see if you find other better domain providers.